Very important. The cost of medicines and drugs, because we're being ripped off, as you know, very badly.
Benchmark indices turned red soon after opening slightly higher on Tuesday morning. The pressure was built mainly by pharmaceutical stocks, which fell after overnight statements by US President Donald Trump. Trump on Monday signed an order to boost drug manufacturing in the USA. The fresh executive order aims to reduce the time it takes to approve pharmaceutical plants in America, as part of the new regulations to encourage domestic manufacturing.
One of the most important supply chain issues we currently face as a country is our pharmaceutical supply chain. This is an executive order intended to promote domestic manufacturing of pharmaceuticals. It streamlines the permitting processes that go into building domestic pharmaceutical manufacturing sites. It centers a lot of the environmental permitting process, which is quite significant within the EPA, and it takes other actions designed to ensure that we're bringing pharmaceutical jobs and pharmaceutical manufacturing back to the United States of America.
Okay. That's what it's all about, right? Very important. We're going to have a big announcement next week on some of this kind of thing, but more related to costs, the costs of medicines and drugs, because we're being ripped off, as you know, very badly, being ripped off compared to the rest of the world.
Donald Trump also indicated he would make announcements in the coming weeks on the cost of drugs as well as pharmaceutical tariff. This follows investigations launched by the Trump administration last month into imports of pharmaceutical and semiconductors.
Mr. President, on the pharmaceutical side, have you made any determination on kind of what those tariff rates may look like and the timing of those
I
tariffs?
have. I'll announce it over the next 2 weeks.
The fresh threat of tariff on pharma imports into the USA rattled the sector. The USA accounts for nearly 30% of Indian pharma exports. Of the total $30.5 billion of exports in financial year 25, nearly $9 billion in pharmaceutical products were routed to the USA. The big losers were Aurobindo Pharma, Lupin, Cipla, Sun Pharma and Dr. Reddy's Labs, all companies which have large exports to the United States of America. Analysts and investors are, however, hopeful for yet another tariff rollback by the mercurial US president. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.
This American carnage stops right here and stops right now.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.